I remember the first time I looked at this car and I thought, man, that's such an iconic car. I can't wait to get started. So one of the really cool features we have on this car are these billet specialty 18-inch wheels, powder coated to match, and they hide those big Willwood brakes. So to hook up the power on this car, we went with a Michelin 295. They're about a 10-inch wide tire to hook up that 500 horsepower. Does a great job. The minute I knew we were restoring this car back green and white, I knew it had to have green glass. It gives it that nice green little tint to it. I think it looks amazing. On this car, we kept as much of the chrome factory as possible, even though I had it re-chrome plated. Like this bird, for example, that came with the car back in 1956. We just wanted to keep the heritage look. So on this car, we installed a 500 horse LS3 GM Performance as a 6-speed 6L80 automatic transmission. We wanted to do a more period correct look, like GM had these parts available back in 1956. So we went with the Holley intake manifold to look like it has a carburetor, but it has the electronic fuel injected throttle body underneath that. I love the way those valve covers turned out. It gives that engine bay just that little bit of pop. One of the coolest parts for these old Tri-Five Chevys is the Be Cool radiator module assembly here. Comes with the core support, radiator, condenser, full show polish kit. They just look great, work even better. I color matched the interior to the outside, and I think it just matches the car perfect. I always use this steering wheel in these old cars. I think it looks period correct. I love the way the dash looks in these old cars. I think it has a lot of design style, like the way they match the shapes on both sides. I just think they did a really good job. These chassis handle so good. It's my favorite part of this car. SpeedTech does an amazing job with these chassis. They handle so good. Stop, steer, amazing. It's got big Willwood brakes on it. It's got the Hydro Boost. Huge upgrade for these cars. That's so much fun. You can drive this car all day long. So that's the 1956 Chevy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as the team at Ekins Garage enjoyed restoring it. Thanks for watching.